This is Shelley Kraft coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at BioMaryland's booth at Bio International 2014 here in San Diego, California. I have with me Mr. Brian Gaines from MdBio Foundation. It's a private foundation. Welcome, Brian, to SNNLive.
Thank you, Shelley. Nice to be here.
Good to have you. So
Great.
let's get right into it. Tell me about MdBio.
Sure. Well, the MdBio Foundation is a private nonprofit organization. We're based in Rockville, Maryland, but we work across the state of Maryland, and we focus primarily on bioscience education and STEM education for the entire state.
What does that encompass?
Well, we've been actually doing education now for 12 years, and we've actually served over 110,000 students across the state of Maryland. We serve every school district in the state, and we focus primarily on underserved students, those that are underrepresented in science and STEM careers, and we really try and get them involved to do hands-on science.
How do you help them?
So we have a number of different programs, Shelley. Our main program is called the MdBio Lab. It's a really interesting program. It's a mobile laboratory. It's a 45-foot tractor trailer that we've converted to be like a science lab that you would find in any of our science companies around the state. And we serve about 10,000 students in the mobile lab, and we see about 35 schools every year through the mobile lab program. It's incredibly popular, Shelley. We actually fill our schedule every summer in about 15 minutes.
I just want you to know, I do a lot of interviews, but you seem like a man who really loves his job. Talk to me.
Well, I get to wake up every day and help students, and that's really what I'm passionate about. I'm a parent myself, and I believe in education, and so to be able to help students find their careers, find their paths is really what I'm all about.
So in the world of biotech, life sciences, what is your take on these kids that are developing some of this new technology? I mean, look, we come to a conference and we see a handful of companies that are unbelievable.
Right.
What are you seeing out there? It's got to be incredible, Brian.
Well, I'm amazed every day when you see students come on the truck and the energy they bring, the intelligence that they bring, the innovation that they bring every day to what we learn. I learn more from them than they learn from me. I say that every day. So I feel very fortunate to be able to do this work and really believe in seeing the future of our country is in good hands. And particularly in Maryland, where we have so many talented students, it's a pleasure to come to work every day.
Earlier today, I interviewed a young man.
That's right.
Mr. Davey, I'll call him.
Yes.
Because he's all of 18 years old, just graduated high school. He's
That's
one
right.
of the most brilliant people I've ever interviewed.
Mm-hmm.
So would you tell me about what that award's all about and everything?
Sure. Well, Neil Davey was the winner of our BioGenius Award. BioGenius Award is a virtual science fair program that we do in the state of Maryland, and then the winner of that award gets to come here to the Bio Conference and compete internationally. Now, Mr. Davey this year came in third place internationally, and I believe there were over 1,200 other contestants across the globe that were part of this. And Neil was smart enough to come in and sort of wow the judges and be in third place. And so it's a very impressive accomplishment for someone of only 18 years old.
So if I asked you what's next for MdBio, I'm sure you've got something you might want to plug. I'm not sure.
We have a few things up our sleeve, but really what we're focused on at the foundation is really trying to find the next generation of scientists, of STEM professionals, and help them to think about their careers in the state of Maryland, start new companies. So right now our main focus is on looking at more underrepresented students. So really trying to find those students who don't have access like Neil does. Neil's dad happens to be a physician, but not many students in our state don't have the opportunity to know physicians. So we try and introduce students in places like Baltimore, Prince George's County, rural part of the state, about what types of opportunities there are in Maryland. Maryland has a technology-based economy. We have a number of great careers and jobs that students can go after. So our main function is how we market those students to these kinds of careers to be able to get a good paying job. So they announced it today. The average salary for a starting employee in a STEM career is $88,000. That's a pretty good amount of money to start off when you're starting out.
Not bad. For more information, which website do we want to send our audience to?
It's the MdBio Foundation, so it's mdbiofoundation.org is our website. We're also on Twitter. You can follow us at MdBio Foundation.
Ladies and gentlemen, Brian Gaines, MdBio Foundation. It's a private foundation. I'm Shelley Kraft. This is SNNLive. We're at the BioMaryland booth at Bio International 2014 here in San Diego. Brian, good luck with your future. What a great job.
Thank you, Shelley. I appreciate it.
You're
Thanks
welcome.
for your time.
You're welcome.